Someone in your city is pulling out their phone. They're typing gym near me on Google, and your gym isn't showing up. Your competitor gets that call, and your competitor gets that tour. Your competitor gets that new member and that monthly revenue as well. And you don't even know it's happening. That's not a theory. That's not a hypothetical. That is happening right now every single day to your gym owners who have better facilities, better coaches, and better results than the gyms that are showing up. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your gym is invisible on Google Maps and the step-by-step fix that changes it. So stay with me, this one matters. If you're a gym owner, a studio founder, or you manage a fitness facility, this channel is built for you because I help gym owners dominate local search, generate more inbound membership calls, and stop losing members to competitors who simply rank higher on Google. If that's what you want, hit subscribe below. I'll publish this type of content every single week. Now, let's get into it. Here's the real problem, and most gym owners don't see it clearly. Your gym is invisible at the worst possible moment, not invisible in general. Invisible right when a local person is ready to join a gym. Think about what happens when someone decided they want to get fit. They don't ask a friend first. They don't scroll Instagram first. They pick up their phone and they search gym near me, personal trainers near me, best gym in their city. And Google shows them 3 gyms on the map. Just 3. If your gym isn't in those top 3 results, you don't exist to that person. They call one of those 3 gyms, they book a tour, they sign up, and you never even know they were looking. That's the problem. And before I give you the fix, I want you to fully feel what this is costing you because the most gym owner underestimate it. So let's play this out. Someone searches gym near me in your city. They see 3 gyms. Yours isn't one of them. They call the first result. They book a visit. They sign up, and that's 1 member you lost. But this isn't happening once. This is happening every single day, every single week, every single month. So I want you to do this math in your head right now. If your gym is losing even 5 potential members a month because people can't find you on Google Maps, that's 60 members a year. At even $50 a month per membership, that's up to $3,000. It's recurring revenue, guys, that should be yours. So going straight to your competitor, here's the part that stinks the most. Go to majimbu.com if you want to see exactly where your gym stands right now, what's working, what's not, and where your biggest local opportunity is. We offer a free 10-minute local visibility audit, then show you how our gym authority growth system can turn that into predictable new membership every month. The gym that's outranking you, they may not be better than you. They might have all the equipment, fewer trainers, smaller classes, worst resort. But their Google business profile is optimized. They have 300 reviews. Their website has local landing pages. Every single week, their phone rings with people who are ready to join. Meanwhile, your gym, which might genuinely be the best option in your area, sits invisible. Your staff is ready, your facility is ready, your coaches are ready, but the people who need you the most can't find you. And here's the part nobody talks about. Because every month you wait on this, your competitor gets stronger. More reviews, more authority, more history on Google. Harder to catch up. The longer your gym stays invisible on Google Maps, the most expensive and more difficult it becomes to complete. This is not just a marketing problem. This is a revenue leak happening in silence every single day. Okay, now let's fix it. I'm going to walk you through 6 things that will move your gym up on Google Maps, increase inbound calls, and start turning online visibility into actual membership sign up. Now let's go. Fix number 1. Fully optimize your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile is the single most powerful free tool you have for local visibility. And most gym owners that said it once, years ago, and never touch it again. That's the problem because Google uses your profile as a major signal to decide who ranks and who doesn't. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure you're using the primary category, not just gym, depending on the type of facility it might be. Health club, fitness center, personal trainers, or boxing gym, pick the one that matches your main services. Second, and secondary categories if you offer personal training, group classes, and yoga, all of those should be listed. This expands the searches you can show up. And number 3, write a keyword-rich business description. Don't write corporate fillers. Write directly to your ideal members. Who they are, what the problems you solve, why your gym is different. And fourth, upload high-quality recent photos, your facility, and also your trainers. Your classes in action, your members, people decide if they feel comfortable at your gym before they ever visit based on your photos. And fifth, post updated every week. New programs, membership wins, class schedule, promotion, Google rewards, active users or active profiles, and also a dominant profile tells Google you're not engaged. Number 6, fill in every service. Complete every description and pricing ranges. The more complete your profile is, the more Google trusts it and the more it shows it. This alone, done properly, can move your gym significantly in the local rankings within 30 to 60 days. Fix number 2, build a review velocity system. Reviews are one of the most biggest ranking factor for Google Maps. Not just how many you have, but how recently they are and how consistently they keep coming in. A gym with 20 reviews from 2 years ago is going to lose to a gym actively getting 10 new reviews every single month. That's called review velocity, and most gym owners have one. So, here's how you built it. Automate the task. After every member's first week, send them a text with a direct link to leave a Google review. Remove all traction. Make it one tap. Respond to every review. It's either good or also bad. Do it publicly, professionally, because Google sees this. Potential member sees this, and it builds trust. Train your staff to ask naturally, not pushy. Just part of the conversation. Hey, if you're loving it here, we'd love a quick review because it helps us. Target at least 5 to 10 new reviews per month, consistently, not just when you remember. Every month, this is one of the latest ways to push your gym higher and one of the most ignored. Fix number 3, build local landing pages on your website. Here's something most gym owners don't realize. A single homepage that says, "Welcome to our gym" is not enough. For Google to rank your for local search in your area, Google wants to see that your website specifically matches what someone is searching for. That means you need dedicated local landing pages. For example, personal training in your city, CrossFit classes in your city, weight loss gym, beginners-friendly gym in your city. Each of those should be its own page with local keywords, your address, a Google Maps embed, local schema markup, and a real member's testimonial from people in that area. This is what tells Google this gym is specifically relevant to people searching in its location for this type of service. Without these pages, you're relying on the homepage to compete for every local search, it won't win. Fix number 4, speed up your lead follow-up process. Let me ask you something. When someone fills out a form on your website or send a DM asking about membership, how fast do you respond? If the answer is within a few hours or we get back to them the next day, you're losing those leads. Studies consistently show that leads go cold fast when there's no response. That means by the time you reply, they're already visited your competitor's website, already called them, and may have already signed up. Here's what you need. Automated text and email replies. The moment someone submits a form, let them know you'll be in touch soon and give them a next step. Because a missed call text back system, if someone calls and no one answers, they immediately get a text. Hey, sorry we missed you. We'd love to help. What's the best time to connect? A CRM to track every lead, every conversation, and every stage of the process so nothing falls through the cracks. And consistent follow-up, at least 3 to 5 touches over the first week for leads who don't respond right away. The gym that responds faster wins the members. It's that simple. Fix number 5. Strengthen your local trust signals. Here's something most agencies completely overlook. People searching for a gym aren't just looking for a location. They're nervous. They might be out of shape and also embarrassed. Unsure if they'll stick to it, afraid of being judged. Your online presence needs to reduce that fear before they even walk in. How? Show real member stories before and after transformation, because real people from your actual community feature your trainers, with real photos, real bios, and the real personalities. People join gyms because of coaches, not because of equipments, and an FAQ section that answer the fears people won't say out loud. Is this gym for beginners? Will I feel comfortable? What happens if I've never worked out before? When someone lands on your website or gym profile and sees themselves reflected in your community, they don't just get interested. They trust you. And trust is what turns a search into a membership. And number 6, connect everything into one system. So here's the honest truth. All 5 of these fixes I just walked you through work, but they work best when they're connected because most gyms have a fragmented approach. One person handles Google, someone else runs ads, the other is doing reviews some things. The front desk is following up when they have time, and nobody knows what's actually working. That fragmentation is exactly where members fall through the cracks. What you actually need is one connected system that covers local SEO so your gym ranks higher and gets found first. Review generation so your reputation builds trust. And also a CRM and automated follow-up so no lead gets cold. AI-powered lead response so inquiries are handled 24/7 and clear monthly reporting tied to actual membership signups, not just traffic and rankings. That's what we call the Gym Authority Growth System. It's not SEO, it's not ads, it's not social media. It's a complete local members acquisition system built specifically for gyms, designed to turn Google into predictable membership engine. And if you want to know exactly when your gym isn't show up on Google and what it will take to fix it, specifically for your market, guys, I will personally audit your Google presence for free. No pitch, no pressure, just a clear, honest breakdown of what's hurting your visibility and also what you should prioritize first. Use this link below to grab the free audit, and if this video helped you, share it with your gym owners you know who's struggling to get found online. It could make a real difference for them. And also subscribe for more because I'm posting content every week, but specifically for gym owners who want to grow. I'll see you in the next one.